Established in 2013, Fujian Bakingdom Company Limited is headquartered in Nanjing Park, Zhangzhou National High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, Fujian Province. We are a comprehensive and provincial-level high-tech enterprise which specializing in researching, developing, manufacturing high-level baking raw materials and production equipment. We do integrating product research, manufacturing, and sales services, having formed from innovative equipment, innovative appliances, innovative technology, baking raw materials, technical solutions to scientific maintenance. We enjoy the reputation of China Baking Integrated Solution Integration Expert in food industry and have been widely praised by customers at home and abroad. Our connected factory, Fujian Paragon's food appliance main do commercial bakeware, which includes baking pan, loaf pan, muffin pan, etc. We constantly strive to forge ahead, pursue technological leadership, create good quality, and have always been at the forefront of food industry. Looking ahead, we have a long way to go. We believe that, with the care of all levels of party committees and government, with the support of our customers, with the joint efforts of all our colleagues, we will go up to a higher level, create more brilliance, make newer and greater contributions to the vigorous development of China's food industry. Enterprise culture, corporate vision to become a world-class supplier of baking raw materials and baking equipment. Core values, professional, innovation, credibility, gratitude. Business philosophy, attracting customers by reputation, winning customers by service, rewarding customers with quality.